Oh, come on. Oh, oh, come on. No idea. I don't know. I don't know. These headphones are gonna die. I'm gonna die. This is great. Um, oh, oh, it's a heating pad. It's, it's like this stupid function module. Every time I think there's a there's a oh, particular uh, property of this oh, algorithm that I call beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread. And that's from an old song called Beans and Cornbread. Yeah. And on the one hand, the property is really good because it means if there are beans, there's always cornbread. Oh, so in that sense, it simplifies the problem because instead of instead of sometimes beans is over here and cornbread is over there, that's just never the case. If you every single time, if beans is right here, every single time, cornbread is right next to it. Every single time. And if for some reason you try to put beans right here, but cornbread can't fit because there's something in the way, then it's invalid and you can just throw it out. So, in that sense, it's great. It, it makes things so much easier. But I don't know if the problem, but in my code, it causes me headache. I don't know if that's because this is an inherently difficult issue. I don't think that's the reason. Or if it's because I'm not really, I'm not a programmer. I mean, I'm definitely not a professional programmer. And I'm not, I don't know how to rate my skill as a coder. But I'm definitely not trained for it. So it's probably causing me headaches because I don't know how to handle it correctly. And whatever it is, it does cause me headaches. And with this algorithm, it has oh, been an issue since the very beginning of this algorithm. Since the very beginning of this algorithm. And over time, I've gotten better at dealing with it as an issue, but it's still a problem. And oh, come on, and come on, oh, and I thought I had finally like contained it and isolated it here, right here, right here, just in this one function. But no, I didn't. So I found another problem, bug, or something. I don't know. Problem. Found another freaking problem. Hold on, I gotta change the headphones on. This, this. Come on. It's not sure I catch it. Gosh, why do I hear such noise? Turn the noise off. Turn the noise off. Come on, where's the noise canceling? What the hell is that? Noise canceling. Nice volume. Oh, the noise is hurting my head. Turn the noise canceling. Noise canceling. Where's the noise canceling? Come on. Noise there. Noise there. Yes, man. Why you not? Oh, this is only 30%. Come on. And then this, right? That's a little better. These, these are these are not. These are not very good at noise. Yes, they're comfortable. Cushions, fake leather covering, whatever it is. Comfortable. Mm. The noise canceling algorithm sucks. Oh, maybe though. Oh, right, right. And if I no, they have to be just right. Where am I? Where am I? What is this? Why is no music? Can't hear music. Why can't I hear music? Come on. Come on. Now I'm hot. I think maybe I have a fever And because I'll go from hot to cold for no reason. Think I'm turning this down. There, there. I don't know. I don't know. Too many things for me to figure out all of them. I can figure stuff out. But we look at the code and stuff. I could I could learn, I could figure stuff out, but there's too many things for me to do all alone. That's not how humans normally do things. Normally humans uh, work in social groups, like 150 to 250 people. I don't even mean family. I mean you need a group of at least 150 people for all the individuals to survive. Oh, create a new one. Create a new one. Okay. Just come on. That. Select. Create new links. Automatic. Okay. Select a display. No. Yes. Oh, yes. Boy, that gets confusing. Is that confusing or what? When it's all nested like that. Oh. How do I, come on. Where'd they go? There's the left one. This blue is down here. Come on. Right there. Right there. Don't stop this. Change back on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now what? Left screen, right screen. How do I show you? I want to show you both screens. How do you do that? I don't know. This? Maybe. And this? I don't know. What do you think? Like this? Maybe? Yeah. Yeah, I might. Yeah. This one. Move that up. Why are you doing that? I don't understand. Hate this. I fucked it. Go through this just to not die. Broadcast my entire life. I don't know. 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 Oh yeah. I don't know what it looks like because it's over on this screen and I can't see the screen. But if I pull up OBS and look at it, oh, I see OBS. I don't see whatever it was. So I don't know. See, it's the module I'm working on. There we go. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's good. Oh, I still don't have music. So why am I playing music? Oh, it's a red text. That would be bad. Purple text is Beans Incorporated. There's no purple text. That's good. Also stupid. Because I'm trying to co-opt this verification function. To use as flow control. Let's see if that works. I don't know. I don't know. 5. Come on. What do you mean? It's something. Here. This takes rest of permutation space. So get and give me the number. Okay, there. We'll call it that. Permutation space total. No, that's just stupid. Why would you think that? Yes. So what is that? That's the baseline. I want to know after running all of this, what the new number is. It's going to be smaller. I don't know. While, I don't know. Um, 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 and permutations? No, just one. Just one. All this. There we go. Okay. Now, oh, oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Now, self control. Go again. Again. And down here at the bottom, we gotta compute. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Oh, permutation space total. I don't know. And I care. Yeah, I don't want to calculate it twice. So let's do add something on here. Call it something else. New, updated, reduced. There. Now do the if. There you go. Ah, perfect. That's yeah. That's okay. Let's see if I broke it. Here, run. I didn't break it. Hey, look at that! It eliminated 3 more dictionaries by doing the extra iteration. That's crazy. Well, that's good. And they were all surplus dictionaries. Look at that. The amount of time changed from 15.93 seconds, so that's 16, like 21, so it added 25% more time. Okay, so with this loop, with this, what do I want to call this? Permutations. With this is like, what? This is ensuring stability. Like we have found all of the things we know how to find. We've reduced the permutation space as much as possible at this point. So if that's the case, hypothetically, take out this crap. That is just duplicate code. And if it, we won't have beans and cornbread problems, and it should be just a fraction faster. Probably not enough to show up on the, the measurement. This measurements are not precise. Oh, so fuck you, OpenAI, and fuck you, Anthropic. God, because that would be the fucking AI assistants. That was their solutions. Bunch of motherfucking duplicate code. What? Your beans and cornbread code that you really hate doesn't work? Well, we'll just double it and that'll make it better. No. Fuck you. That's not the answer. This is, well, that's actually maybe okay. I don't know. I didn't expect this benefit here, where it says the length is 3201, but previously it was 3204. See? 3204. And it's not just that it's shorter, it's where it's shorter. Because here, these surplus dictionaries are surplus. I don't want surplus dictionaries. They're not errors, but it's noise in my signal. And previously, they're 1,335, but after I added this go again code, it dropped down to 1,332. That's great. Well, great or good? Or neutral? Is it neutral? Is it possible it's neutral? I'm going to say it's at least better than neutral. It's at least some good. I think great is pushing. But it may also suggest this may be come on, a better way of thinking about the flow control, because right now I call this function reduce all, and I go through each of these subroutines. Each of these blocks of 3 lines of code is one subroutine, because I'm still in the production phase. That's why it's block, 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 block. It makes it easier to rearrange things, test things. Right. Okay, so each block is a different subroutine. And within the function, reduce all, I call the subroutines once. Well, I was doing that. Now I'm calling it at least twice. No, almost certainly twice. Potentially twice. Potentially more than once. Potentially more than once. Potentially multiple times. Potentially 10 times. So I was, but before, I was only calling that function each one of these subroutines exactly once. But oh, don't do that. I hate that shit. I don't know how to turn that off here. Here, this is a no, that's not the way I thought it was, but fine. Then within the subroutine, I have while. So it doesn't say while go again, but it's the exact same concept where each subroutine, each one of the subroutines has this condition while true, while this is true, keep going. And so what that means is within each subroutine, reduce the permutation space as much as you can until you can't reduce it anymore. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go again, go again, go again, go again, go again, go again. I was only doing that within the subroutines, not within the larger routine. Maybe. So maybe this suggests I should think about it differently. I don't know. I don't know what it would be, but it's interesting that this number came down, and good. Oh, let's test it against. Let's test it against something more difficult. Let's drop this on top. Oh, this takes a while to run, as compared to 20 seconds. Before the change, this entire thing would take about 2.5 minutes. Now, I don't know. We'll find out. But what I'm really curious about is how much it helped if the same reduction in surplus dictionaries is compounding. So, you know, this number down here that we're counting up to, 3201, that used to be 3204. So since that number is a little smaller, maybe the next number will be a little smaller, which would be good, because that means less noise. And then there's another one after that, and then there's some calculations. Maybe, you know, like maybe this is good. Maybe it's, you know, better than just a little bit above neutral. I don't know. Fuck me, this hurts. What's it doing? I'm testing. No. Yes. What did I do? Where am I? Come on. This. Open this. I put a while loop into this, and I confirmed it didn't break the. It didn't reintroduce the problem that started this whole thing. And now I'm running this code to see how it changes. It's one scenario, but I do need to run the real tests when this is done. Which we're up to 2 minutes 45 seconds on just this thing, so it does take longer. Hopefully the extra time is worth it, or maybe I can figure out a way to at one point I had the idea of like so right now I calculate permutation space total up here, then I do all of the subroutines and calculate it, and if there were changes I do all of the subroutines again, and whoa, that says 39,876. That number used to be, well, it used to be at least 40,000. I don't have the number memorized because I didn't have a reason to memorize it. I think that number used to be 44,000. Maybe it was the next number. Maybe this number was around 42,000 and the next number was around 44,000. I think that's more accurate. I think the next number used to be 44,151. I saw that number a lot. I didn't try and memorize it. I just saw it a lot. But for sure, this number that is now 39,876 used to be above 40,000. So that is significant because we're up here. We eliminated 3 dictionaries out of 1,335. Here we eliminated thousands of dictionaries. Look at that number, 41,507. Okay. I'm going to call this good. Not great, but definitely good. Because that's a real impact. This number right here is not significantly smaller, which is fine. But removing a few thousand dictionaries means removing a few thousand jobs, which is really good. So the old long-term savings, the computation time is less than desirable. It's 3.5 minutes, but no, it's not. Fuck me, that's 320 seconds. Fuck. 4 minutes. I mean, 6 minutes. 5 minutes. Can't think. 5 minutes, 22 seconds. 5 minutes, 22 seconds. That's, oof, that's a lot longer. It's more than double. So, okay. This is good and needs work. But I don't know what to do with it because I'm not programming. Okay, so test. That's what I said it was going to be. Test. Let's do this one first. Look, it's using all my CPU, but it's so fucking slow. Something, whatever. I don't care. Yeah, I care, but it's just another, like, how to optimize the speed of testing. And headphones just told me low battery. Fuck shit. Okay, the test passed. These 9 tests. These are the big tests. There's almost 2,000 in here. Let's see what these say. I'm going to change headphones. Fuck. Stop. Fuck. Stop. God. Stupid fucking chair. Everything about my life is fucking broken. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's better. That's definitely better. All right. All right. All right. What do we got? Stupid fucking headphones. You have low battery. These are already back up at 100%. That's unreal. So fuck you, X-Rhythm. You're going to turn it off. This that fan is really fucking loud. These are the best noise canceling headphones I have. They're impressive. Might be the best I've ever. Oh, oh. Okay, turning that fan down one notch helped a lot. I need to find a cable to charge this. Maybe this is looking. Nope. Nope. No, that's gonna go over here. I'm out of cables. Okay, so I literally have to find a cable to plug it in. Can't use that. That's too short. Come on. Come on, sing. They all passed. That's very good. Hey. That's very good. I got the cable on here. Oh, that's. I think I'm gonna go. I gotta take the cable to the headphones and the headphones to the cable. I was thinking headphones to the cable. Okay, headphones to the cable. Turn off. Turn off. Plug it in. That doesn't look right. This doesn't look right. Is it charging or not? There it is. It's charging. Okay. We're on there. Oh, come on. Ow. Oh, ow. I'll do like this. No, I'll do like this. There we go. I can see the light. It's done. I can plug it. Oh. Okay. So I think I was telling you, considering like measuring permutation space total reduce after each subroutine. And if the subroutine, if the number had been reduced, then starting over instead of waiting till the end. That doesn't seem very smart. But I don't know. I sincerely don't know. Since I'm confident that this is turned off. This is no, it's not turned off. God damn it! See, that's how I think I'm have fever because this heating pad is on the highest setting and it feels cold to me. Now, what was I saying? Confident that there are many professional programmers who do know how to think about this flow and do better than what I'm doing. Confident of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How did that happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of these? What's the 9? 9. Oh, okay. My pinning 8 and 56 is 56 pinned? No, it's not. How did that happen? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. How's that coming about? What did I run? I ran pin pile Uh, one before head. I mean, yeah, pin pile one before head one, or in Chinese, the Ling Ante. Well, that's not Chinese. Ling Ante Shu Ling, and which comes after pinning four, a depth of four, which only gets you to zero, one, two, three. Right? Yeah, zero, one, two, three, four. But these dictionaries have gone five, six, seven, eight, and nine. And the eight and nine, this is beans. This is pile eight, leaf three, pile nine, leaf two. And the leaves, three and two, are beans and cornbread leaves. So if you pin leaf three, you gotta pin leaf two. That's beans and cornbread. So it's getting all the way out to pile eight. But I'm only pinning up to pile four, like directly. So it's these other subfunctions reducing the permutation space that's propelling it all the way out to eight, which is unreal. That's amazing. How is that happening? Wow, and look, on the other side, it's happening too. 63, 62, 61, 60. That's four levels. But the subroutines are pinning 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, and 50. Well, 55. 54 is pile 54 is leaf 33, and leaf 33 is getting pinned by this function right here. That's just crazy. At pile 31, you're pinning leaf 20. Yes, I don't know anything special about leaf 21. This one's got leaf 22. I don't know anything special about leaf 22. This is great. This is great. This is exactly what I want to be happening in this function. Reduce all permutation space. I want there to be this chain reaction of applying these different subroutines that have mathematical restrictions that I know are true. So it applies these mathematical restrictions and reduces the permutation space just a little bit, each one just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, until finally in like pile five, after a bunch of little reductions, there's only one option left, and that's leaf 13. So it pins leaf 13. And then iterate that, keep going until you get a bunch of things that are pinned, which is great. That's exactly the point of this module, the entire freaking module. I haven't even implemented all of the mathematical restrictions that I know exist. Some of these, this is hard. This is the one I most recently tried to implement. Just merely discovering the mathematical truth that is written here in orange, that was very, very difficult. Excuse me, very difficult for me. I don't, I don't know if it would be difficult for a real mathematician, and I don't know if those mathematical truths have already been discovered by other mathematicians because I try to read the mathematical papers and I don't understand them most of them. I don't understand. I don't. I try. Okay. So for me, merely discovering this mathematical truth was difficult. And now, after discovering it, I have to program it. And I'm not a programmer. I'm not a mathematician, but I'm not a programmer. So I have to program it, and I don't know how to do it. This is as far as I've got, which is nowhere. And I tried giving it to an AI assistant and twice. That didn't work. It's too it's too sophisticated. I don't know if this is. I mean, this guy. Just don't fucking know. Like, if I could express what I'm trying to do, uh, in terms of the program, if I knew the right words for expressing it, then I could search for it. I could search for how do I doobity bobbity boo, but I don't know how to even express whatever the hell it is that I need to do here. So I don't, yeah. Oh, don't. Man, just stop hurting. Just stop. 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 Set item. Set item. Set item. That would work. Would that work? Pin. Where's my pinning functions? No, 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 not my pinning. Are they pinning? What am I calling it? Fuck. 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 Um, yes, they are pinning functions, and they are even in the module named pin it. Uh, Control D. Boolean group by. Pin a leaf in a permutation space or folding note. This section ought to contain all functions based on the elimination that pin a leaf in a permutation space of foldings. I need to change capitalization. Change the capitalization. Change this one right here. At pile pin leaf. This is it. This is the central the nexus. Everything should go through here. Permutation space, pile, leaf. Or pile range. Dictionary. Oh, this is just all wrong. I mean, not wrong, just out of date. Dictionary. New dictionary pile mapped to leaf. See also deconstruction permit. I don't know why. I want to see also that. Okay, so what am I thinking here? At pile pin leaf. And I'm using, okay, so first of all, I'm using, this is a function. This is a function that's external to permutation space, but it only takes permutation space as as a parameter. It does not take the other dictionaries or a folding. Come on, where is it? Here it is. Only takes permutation space. It will not take undetermined piles. It will not take pinned leaves. Why won't it take pinned leaves? What would I do? What would I do? Why would I? Why would I want to pin? Why would I add? I don't know why. So, and I don't think I do. So that's probably why there's no function for it. At pile pin leaf, it only takes permutation space. So it doesn't really make sense for it to be a function that will accept some sort of just objects. This could be a method of a dictionary subclass. Pin it. Go back. Where was pin it? So then the method would look like what? It would be the class permutation space instead of being a type alias would be a subclass of dictionary. I'd make a dictionary subclass. Then within the dictionary subclass, I would create I would create I I I wouldn't create anything. That's that's this is just set item, right? It's just a magical method, whatever the fuck you call it, set item. So all of the different ways that one could pin, leaf at pile, or associate a key key value item. All of the different ways available to dictionary to associate a key value item would be available to me. And under the the lower level code would be calling it set item dunder double underscore dunder set item, right? So I could use an assignment, subscript, a subscript with assignment, right? Permutation space, bracket, pile equals leaf. And that would um, pin the leaf. And I could use comprehension and just anything that invokes the normal dictionary set item. But because it's a subclass in my subclass, I could um, here's where I don't know. I don't I don't know how to do this really. I could modify set item in some way. I don't know how exactly yet, but I can modify it so that when set item is invoked, instead of it just being the normal set dictionary set item, it would be dictionary set item plus, and that plus part could be could be beans and cornbread, which is up here. Beans and cornbread, right here. Beans and cornbread, beans and cornbread. Could be if somebody tried to set somebody, whatever function, a function tries to set a leaf beans item. So fucking confusing. Then it will automatically set the cornbread item. And if it can't, I don't know. I don't know what it would do then, but it won't. This code block, whatever this is, all of that, instead of it being external to permutation space, it would be inside the dictionary. So anytime you tried to modify the dictionary with a beans and cornbread situation, the dictionary itself would handle it. How? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I especially don't know because uh, beans and cornbread is specific, highly specific to 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 this to di- um fuck me. How do I explain this? To maps that have maps of a shape, maps that are shaped in every dimension. There's only two leaves, and but there could be multiple dimensions. Could be three, four, five, six, any number of dimensions. Beans and cornbread only shows up in those kinds of maps. That's so the permutation space. That dictionary is supposed to work for the way I've designed it. It's supposed to work for any kind of map shape. And it does. It does work for any kind of map shape right now. Try again. Fucking kidding me. Is how long has this been off? I hate my life. What's going on here? Is any of this working? Stop streaming and broadcast. Looks like it's still broadcasting, but it has not been broadcasting the fucking camera. And for some reason, still can't figure out how to get the camera. Probably camera. No, camera says it's on. I mean, the phone. Oh, it's just stupid. Why? Stupid. Stupid. How much? Stupid. I've discovered new combinatoric numbers. I've invented new AI techniques for separating music. That's not good enough. That's not good enough for me to be allowed to live. I have to figure out how to fucking live stream my fucking life. Fuck. Why the fuck will this just not work? I don't know why you want to connect to the motherfucking phone over the fucking Wi-Fi when it's connected to USB. It's just stupid. Goddamn stupid. No. Fucking connection delay. Is it? It's not talking to the. This is stupid. 2026, and you can't get a goddamn phone camera to talk to a computer through the USB cable. Seriously? 2026. I want to add. It's just stupid. Add on a fucking network camera. How about add a wired camera? Is that under advanced options? Unbelievable. I don't see a USB icon. Maybe it's over here. USB, Bluetooth, wired, wired display. You have to have an option for wired display, and you don't have an option. I can't find an option for wired camera. That's brilliant. Stop it. Oh, oh, oh. So stupid. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know what is doing this. Look, it's right here. It's just, God damn it. Fuck Microsoft. Fuck Google. God, just fuck all of you fuckers. 2026, you haven't figured out basic interoperability. You have. That's my point. You have figured it out, and you have chosen not to let us have it. Fuck you. I don't know what to do right now. I don't know what to do. Put down this tripod. Put down this phone. Okay. Take a drink. So stupid. So stupid. Stupid. Just I'm gonna turn this non-functional thing off. I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever. Fuck. Fuck it. Damn it. Where now? There's no beans and cornbread and other map shapes. It's just weird as fuck. Task. Let's see what the actual algorithm does. What we got here? Increase. 14, 17, 4 to 6. That doesn't, definitely don't do that. That doesn't make any sense. Not, not 4 to 6. Takes forever. How long does it take? Wait, because that's different. That's not, that's, no, it is. Yeah. Oh, that did not feel good. Um, which one's the best one? This one, that's right. 1.47 seconds. That's normal. This is looking slower. That's slower. That's a lot slower. 20 fucking seconds. I've gotten that down to 12 motherfucking seconds. 12. Which is just uh, lightning fast. Got it done at 12 seconds. Where's the, where's the, let's compare it. Count volts. Count volts. 17. Fuck that. Why the fuck does it do that? Four to, let's do 5 to 6. 4, 14, 17. Theorem 2 number. Let's start with the basic. This is the baseline. Well, my, ah! 2 to the 5th? 10 seconds. Oh, it'll still be 10 seconds. This, if it's not compiled, it'll be 10 seconds. Okay, so let's see if it's faster now it's compiled. Might be 0. No, I was wrong. So look at that. This Serum 2 Numa is the fastest implementation in the world of that of multi-dimensional map folding by by Lunin. It's, that's orders of magnitude faster than anyone else who's implemented that particular function, the particular mathematical algorithm. And this, without the while loop, I'd gotten it down to 12 seconds. So, which would be faster than everybody else. So 20 seconds, even with the while loop, is faster or just as fast. And no, it's faster, faster. It's faster. So I have, holy fuck, I just really just said it. I have created a new algorithm that is just as fast as Lunen's multidimensional map folding. Uh, that's pretty fucking crazy, but I'm not allowed to live. I I'm gonna have to take my broken body, go sleep on the streets. Abandon all. I can't carry these monitors. Can't carry. Barely carry anything. I'm gonna have to abandon almost everything I own and try to sleep on the street again. Where I've been attacked, sexually assaulted, hit by intentionally hit by a car, two, three, two different times, people tried to kill me. Like I don't mean try to hurt me. That happened way more. I've been assaulted. The very last time I slept on the streets, a cop punched me in the face. I didn't even know he was there. Grabbed me by the shoulder, whirled me around, and punched me in the face. But two times, one guy tried to run me over with his car. Tried to. He hit me. He did hit me. But I jumped up on the hood, so it didn't. That bounced off the car, so it didn't kill me. But he did hit me. The other time, I don't know, about 20 people chased me for like, was it like 3 hours trying to kill me? So I'm gonna go sleep on the streets. I'm not gonna survive. I've created a motherfucking algorithm. It's just as fast. Now I get to go sleep on the streets. That's awesome. Let's look at meanders. Meanders is really fast. In part because it's 30 years younger than multi-dimensional map folding. We can't check meanders. You know why? Because you can't use meanders on this this map shape. You can't. Meanders only works. Oh my god. I've created a new algorithm that matches the state of the motherfucking art. Oh, that's so fucked up that that's just oh That's so fucked up. I didn't even realize it until just now. And I'm probably gonna be dead in a month or two because I haven't earned enough. I haven't earned the right to have health care. Whatever. So fucked up. Today, I think this is penpyl anti. Penpyl anti. Do I want this? I don't know. Go to pinning. Let's compare. Let's compare. Oh, fuck. Compare this. What does this say? Let's say 30. Let's say 3301, 3201. But I mean, there are surpluses. Yeah, it's a shit ton of dictionaries, and they're mostly surplus. 3201 dictionaries, 1,332 of them are surplus. You go back up here, and we look at this, no surplus. 210 dictionaries, no surplus. But is more permutations by two orders of magnitude. God damn it. These down. What does this look like? That's 161. I know that. And the size is larger. That's fascinating. So pen leaves dimensions 0, 1, and 2. Has about half of the permutations. Permutations waste. What's going on? This should be, this is 216, 212, and 78. Really? That's interesting. It's not, it's not as bad as it's not. It's really not that bad. That's surprisingly good. That's that's we should get dimension What is going on? Give me 212, but will it be the same? It's a different number and it's smaller? Well, that's fascinating. Okay, that makes sense. Does that make sense? That does make sense because the leaves, it's leaves 6754, which the domain of those leaves are piles closer to the beginning of the sequence, so they're more likely to activate those subroutines. Well, that's new. That's new because uh, the last time I compared these, which I don't know how long ago that's been, it's been a while, Sure had a smaller permutation space by a lot, and now it's switched. That's fascinating. Why am I doing this? Was I going to run? Was I going to run? No, go back over here. Go back over here. Constraint propagation? Is that what I was going to give a shot? No. Yes. No, I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to run constraint propagation because I ripped out all of the code specific two to the n dimensions because it had bugs. I haven't put it back in. So I want to run. I want to run n equals 6 on crease, and I want to choose pinning functions to precede it. 675. You know what? That might be better. Pinning, pinning, pinning dimensions. That would be pinning dimension 0, ling, e, r. Well, that's, I don't know the last time I looked at those numbers. Let's look at those numbers. Eliminate bolts. Pinning. Here we are. Pin dimensions. Pin dimensions. Start with 0, ling, e, and then do r. No matter how long that's going to take. And if, I don't even know if it'll work. So I might still have bugs in that. So what am I pinning? Pin to leave 2, 3. No, I pin leave 33, which is part of dimension ling, and then pin the beans and cornbread dimensions leaves 3, 2, 16, 48, and now pinning 6, 7, 5, 4. Yeah, I don't know. It's not taking very long. That's surprising how quickly this is going. It's almost done. 90 seconds. Okay. 21,000. Whoa, whoa! Look at that. 71. 71. That's amazing. That's just, that's really low. Okay, fuck it. Let's try that. Eliminate faults. Junction 0. Swing E and R, which I need to import. Okay. So this thing constraint? No, crease. I want to do crease. Crease 1417 and equals 6. Okay. The pinning functions will take 90 seconds, is what we learned. And that will give us 21,551 dictionaries to check. And how long will that take? If I'm lucky, take 20 minutes or less. But I don't think I don't think I'm that lucky right now. What did I set the CPUs to? I have to. So it's using 14 out of the 16 CPUs. That's good. So now it's prepared the dictionaries and it's starting to uh, put every dictionary through the entire process. Yeah. It's faster than I thought it would be, but it's measuring it in hours, not minutes. We're up to estimated 24 hours, not 20 minutes. Let's see if the CPUs are actually being used by my function, or if they're getting used up by someone else. Eh, those are not those are not good numbers. Those are not maxed out. Those should be higher. Those should all say 6.12 or something. 6.13. So let's try this. Oh, I didn't run this. Well, whatever. I don't care. So stupid. All right. Well, that's good. It caused my music to cut out for a second, and that's good because that means it prioritized um, the computation over my music, which is what I wanted it to do. And look at that. The estimated time has come down. Last time I looked over, it said like 50 hours. That's good, right? Oh, I don't need this open because it doesn't work. Are you sure you want to disconnect? I don't, it doesn't, it's already, fuck you. Just fuck you. Okay, let's go see if Microsoft Defender, which is caught exactly zero uh, viruses for me ever. Let's see if it's slowing shit down. There it is. Shockingly, I don't think it's really slowing things down. Process Explorer load is taking a lot of load. Maybe I'll turn the refresh down. Where's the refresh? In review? Yeah, let's drop it to here. Well, that didn't help. That helped. There we go. I cut the process explorer usage in half. So what's the deal? Nothing. Okay. 88 hours. Still sucks. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What the fuck would the names be? Um, so if this would be we oh god damn it. So is this the tuple? Okay, this is just permutation space. Permutation space. Read from the left. But there is no left. Read from origin. Do I have that written? Yes. Origin. Read from origin. Limit sign from origin. Okay. What we got here? There's a spoon. If pile leaf. So if it's a leaf, it says definitely a leaf. We need a difference. Difference. It's going to be positive or negative. It's going to have dimensionality. Get the dimensionality. Then we put it in our list of lists of of signs represented by positive or negative one. That's a good idea. I like that idea. Do I have that in here? MEG, Q. That adds tactic clarity. No, that's not what I want. This is what I want. I know it's under. Oh, fuck you. God damn it. Make it go away. Kill this shit because it's useless. There we go. Fucking AI. Fuck. No, it's not a leaf. It's an integer. Why is it do that? I hate that shit. In here, it doesn't choose the right one. It's just stupid. It's a couple of pile. Bitch. Click here to insert pinned leaves, and instead it inserts something. What are you saying here? The list of lists, calling limit sign from origin. Limit sign. Limit sign. This is a stupid name, but that's why I put saws in front of it, because I know it's a stupid name that needs work. I'm representing the sign with a -1 because that functions did not work. Okay, so here we figured out the dimensionality, and we figured out the sign. So, oh fuck me. So we're appending the sign to the existing list because the size of the list will eventually matter. Not right now, but it will eventually. Limit sign for it. And then if there's not currently a value, oh, right. If there's not currently a value on the end, um, then we need to put it there, and it has to be uh, the. Oh my God! Yes, this is correct. Every so confusing every time I do this. Every time. Okay, this is the right way to do it. Okay, so forbidden leaves. Forbidden leaves are what? Oh, that's why I didn't do this code because I. Because that question turned out to be really hard. I don't know. Because I need the forbidden leaves depends on this would be forbidden leaves at +1. Oh, it's directionality. It's directionality. It's directionality. Pardon me. It's directionality. Directionality. Come on, I know this. Where do I have that? Where do I have that? Where I have code that deals with directionality. Where is that code? Ding, 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 ding. What did I call it? I think I called it. Did I call it direction? I think I called it direction. Yeah, direction. Semiotics. No, leaf domains. Leaf domains. Direction. Ads. Yeah. I did that in here, and I did it in Pin Dimension by Crease. Yes, I did it in both places. Okay, so maybe one of these will have have what I want. Will have what I want. Come on, come on. Do I want that? This is directionality. Pin pile E by Crease. Direction. So pin pile E anti scroll by Crease. Direction. Add Uh, this might work. This might work. This might work. I might be able to like. Why am I? How did I use it in leaf domains? Direction. Add. How did I do it here? Get domain. Get domain. R. Ling. And R. Direction. Call. Get domain. Oh, right. I was able to generalize. Uh, something. How many? What was I able to generalize? I generalized two things. Control. Control. Find. Yeah. I generalized two functions to here. These are tail functions. Yeah, here it is, right here. I'm looking right at it. I just overlooked it. So it's get domain rling and r, and get domain reling and re are both generalized to get domains r or re by changing the direction and then here this one special section, right? Almost all differences, right? This is the special differences. And I identify them based on the direction word. Yeah, I forgot about that. It was a good idea. But unfortunately, I know that there's errors in this. I don't know where they are, but I know that there are. So it doesn't, it's not valid for dimensions above 6. It's close. It's really fucking close, but it's not valid above 6. And then this has direction. Why? I think that was just me being hopeful. Because the same thing didn't happen on the head dimensions as that happened on the tail dimensions. Okay, whatever. So much code in here. It's just some part. I don't know which part is wrong. Very frustrating. So what did I do here? This, which I used direction to generalize. So, various lines, and it worked. And it's really ironic because this whole section right here, depth 2. Wait, no, That's ironic. That's totally on point. It's exactly right. Holy shit. How how cool is that? This this what I the math and programming that I implemented here in these two functions is correct. It's absolutely 100% correct. Um, when I implemented it, I uh, it was empirically correct. That's all I knew is that it definitely fit the data. But now this this to do is what is this? It is um um let's see. Okay, I'll say it the other way around. These two functions are highly specific cases of the generalized mathematical truths that I have written here. So it is fitting for me to use a similar programming approach, specifically that direction. Use that for 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 implementing the more generalized version. So that means, what am I saying? I'm saying implement forbidden leaves and define direction. So I don't know which one, but direction, because it depends on if it's from origin or from end. My stomach hurts a lot. It really hurts. So it's not. I need. Oh, I need. Oh, I need. Do I need it? I don't. I don't know what I need. Maybe. Oh, I just defined direction. I just defined direction, and then. I don't know. Why do I? Well, because because this information is going to go away. This information right here. This information. This pile. This pile. This pile leaf is going to go away. Um, is this pile leaf going to go away? Yeah. Well, yeah. That particular pile leaf is gonna go away, but I can still get it, right? How would I? Because down here, down here, down here, down here, if we pop it, it's gonna give you, it's gonna give you, it's gonna give you pile leaf options. Pile leaf options. If we control, well, pop, I'll know whether if I pop left or pop right. Pop left or pop left and right. You stupid fucks. Left. The fuck does left mean? Come on. I can choose how I pop. And the choice of pop tells me the direction. So I don't even need to code the direction. Okay. So the choice of pop tells me the direction. When I pop, I get a pile. I use the directionality and the pile information to look up in permutation space right here. Permutation space right here. Um, or go straight to leaves pinned, which is right. I could either way, it doesn't matter. I can retrieve the the leaf that's here in pile leaf, which is how I would build forbidden leaves, because I would look at dimensionality and compare it to leaf crease. Uh, get leaf domain. Fuck you. Right here. Leaf crease. Leaves crease ante or leaves crease post, depending on the directionality. And then I would, I don't know, I might use exclude or something. I would just rule out. Which, if there's a match, if there's a match in the dimensionality, if there's a match in the dimensionality, then it's forbidden. Where did it go? Why did all of these open? Go down here. If there's a match in the dimensionality here between this and get leaves anti or post, depending on the directionality, then that would be a forbidden leaf, and I would take the forbidden leaves and turn it into leaf anti options. So I don't need to calculate this here, which is great because I really did not like the idea of calculating this on all of these iterations for no reason. I can calculate them down here. So move this shit down. Move this shit down. Move this down. Move this down. Move this down. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I do know it's gonna come down here. But it's not gonna be up here. I don't need to do it up here. So I can get the directionality and the dimensionality from the pop. did it go? Where did I put it? Is it way up here? It's a pile of leaves. These are indexing forbidden leaves. This is where I defined it. So I would. Why did I define it here? So I wouldn't have. So I wouldn't have complaints from the type checker about unbinding. So unbound rather. So leave that here. I have to move it up. Change this to 10. Stupid. Pile. Pile leave space. I don't know. That's good. These pinned. Why did I? Oh, because it's on. Right. That makes sense. That's logical. Is it? Fuck it. I'll just do it that way. Yes, it's logical because otherwise the motherfucking type checker is gonna bitch about possibility. It's not an integer. Okay. Well, good. That's that that's good. That simplifies. That's a good insight. I could get the directionality, pop or pop left. Probably I'm gonna do pop left first. So just do pop left because I know I'm gonna do it first. Stupid. Pop left. The fuck is left side of a of an object in memory? Stupid name. I don't know what to do with it. I have. I have. Okay, fuck it. Pop left. I don't. I'm gonna. I know I'm gonna need logic in front of this, but I don't know what it looks like. So I'm builds apart. I understand. Uh, it's not a leaf space. I already know that it's leaf options because if it were not leaf, okay. We'll make it leaf space and I'll check it. I mean, the very first one is definitely leaf options, not leaf space, but subsequent. Oh, I run the agent on this. Thank you. Where is it? Guys, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. What do I want? What does I want? I want annotations. No, just annotations. I haven't tried this stupid fuck yet. It's been horrible so far, but give it a shot. Uh, let's close some of these windows. Why did you read everything? It's just so stupid. Why? You're just changing the annotations. Do not understand that. Told you which file to read. Go and wait. How many fucking tokens did you waste on that? 100 motherfucking thousand tokens? Fuck you. No, don't target. Oh, god damn it. Fuck. This 5.3 codex so far has been horrible. I don't know that it's produced anything that I've kept. 5.2 codex has often produced things that surprised me in how good they were. Not this fucking garbage. Eliminate faults. I don't need that. Pinning. Pin by crease. I don't need that. There we go. That's better. Did you? No! I don't know how many different ways I can write do not add logic. I have a bad feeling that this motherfucker just added 4 lines, two, three, 4 lines to every single subroutine. It's actually right. Pile, pile. No, don't. I don't want this shit. Really don't want just naked declarations. It's just stupid. It's wasteful. I just keep. It's not an integer. You're right about that, but it's just fuck. No. Oh my god, look at this shit. It's just unfucking believable. I don't understand how the instructions can get any more clear than do not change the motherfucking logic. Holy fuck. How much logic did you? Oh my fucking god. Okay. Didn't follow instructions. Fuck you, OpenAI. Well, how many? There were like 25 changes, and I've kept like three so far. See, this is just a waste of my time. Just a waste. Just that didn't save me anything. Why the fuck would I need an AI assistant to waste my motherfucking time? Why? Unreal. Just unreal. Unreal. I don't know. Why does it say that? Stewart. It's not right. Why does it say it that way? Not change this motherfucking model. Identifiers. Ah, fuck me. Let's choose just usually it's decent. What am I looking at? Um, oh, gotcha. It's a new one. tracing functions. Okay, I'm just gonna just shut up and just get out of the way to the job. Did I see everything? Go. Just go. There you go. What am I doing? Oh no. Oh. Oh, that's an idea. Sure. Maybe some. No, no, it's not. While continue reduction. While continue reduction. Let's do let's do let's do this. Mm, Leaf options key. No, it's not index. Explicit is oh, is it? I didn't think it was an index. Where is it? Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. It's linked. Well, that's cool. I like that. Shut up. But oh, I didn't have it open. Okay, okay, that's okay. That's okay. My fault. I mean, not really. Stupid design, but whatever. Oh, now I had it open. That's your fault. Mm, 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 Leave options key. Group by. Um, well, they're both good ideas. Leaf options key is shorter. Yeah, just Leaf and its domain size. Where are we at? Leaf and its domain size. Yeah, I don't really like that name either. But your counter leaf domain size you're using. Well, that's just exactly the instructions. See, this is good. I'm not using the suggestions, but the suggestions are 100% in line with my instructions, with how I do things. That I mean, counter leaf domain size perfectly fits the instructions. Sure, fuck it, I don't care. It's not words. Yeah, I don't like that name either. So you come up with something. Okay, deck triple pile leaf space. That is fucking fantastic. Uh, yeah, good. Battery low. Sum before reduction. Yeah, I like that. Good job. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I definitely like that. I like that more than what I had. And it's one character shorter. Oh no, we're getting worse. No, no. It's here. It's right here, dude. It's right here. If if this is right here, you need more indentation. Yes? No? Oh my god. And where? Expected indent block where? Fucking hate this. Here. There. Fuck. Can't read this shit. UI sucks. Hello. All of these need to be moved over. There. There. Okay, I fixed it. Dock strings. Fine. Reduce. Is that function? Still a lambda in there. Oh, fuck. Oh. Damn it. Okay. Fine. We'll add dock string. Shut up. I don't care. That's low. Oh. Oh. Mm. 50%. Seriously? Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, that's it. Go do your job. Fuck was that character? What I do? I don't even know. Three and a half hours. Tired. 8 to eat. Wonder if I have any food that I can eat that won't hurt my stomach. I don't think so. Okay, I'm done. Done streaming. Thank you for whatever tuning in. Yeah, where and